Herbal formula to cleanse your body from parasites. Biolactonics review. Biolactonics is a full-body parasite cleansing solution that is extremely popular in 2021 in India and the Philippines. This is the likely named manufacturer's first product, but it has become a hit. It is a preferred choice for people who wish to undergo natural detoxification. Whole families have gotten rid of the nasty parasitic organisms and bacteria present in their organism. They gladly share their experience in Biolactonics comments, opinions, reviews, feedback, and testimonials on forums. Professional parasitologists are also quick to say that they like how Biolactonics capsules work. They say that the product is suitable for people of all ages, as it contains only natural ingredients in its formula. It does not lead to negative side effects, allergic skin reactions, or contraindications, like the costly chemical-rich medicine and pills. One cannot get a hold of Biolactonics, using a prescription, in the local pharmacy in India and the Philippines. The all-natural body cleansing capsules organic formula includes a garland of full-body detox herbs. The main ingredients in it are active extracts from Indian gooseberry, Emblica officinalis, Chebulic myrobalan, Terminalia chebula, and a blend of probiotics. The Journal of Parasitology Research published an article in 2011, stating that probiotics help keep the stomach in check and prevent parasitic infestations. You can take the Biolactonics capsules along with any healthy diet plan. The parasite removal capsules can be secured at a top price in 2021 via their official website. The accepted payment method is cash on delivery, COD. How to buy the Biolactonics capsules at a top price? Does the official website offer promo discounts and cost reductions? Are there many scams present on e-sale web pages, like Lazada, Shopee, eBay, AliExpress, and Amazon? Learn everything in the Biolactonics review below. Natural probiotics cleanse the body and tummy. Without a healthy intestinal microflora, the human body cannot function normally. In addition to the well-known symptoms of disturbed microflora, allergic reactions, rapid fatigue, and a general lowering of immunity and mood may occur. One way out of this situation is to buy specialized medicine and pills at the pharmacy. But there are also fully natural products that can boost the well-being of your gastrointestinal tract even more. A video in the C-Amplify YouTube channel gives advice on probiotic-rich foods in India and the Philippines. In general, it is good to consume lots of dairy products, like yogurt, white cheese, and milk. They are naturally full of healthy probiotics. Pickles are a great vegetable source of them, too. You might want to include lots of peppery spices and herbs. Garlic and onions may not seem like the best thing to eat before a date, but they will help your body get rid of those nasty parasitic entities inside. Let's take a look at the top 3 probiotic foods that nutritional experts recommend to keep the intestines parasite-free. Here they are. 1. Yogurt products. 1. Kefir, yogurt, cottage cheese. These are all good foods that will effectively help you restore the intestinal microflora. 1. They contain bifidobacteria and lactobacillus, which are both probiotics and prebiotics. 2. People have been taking it for centuries to support the functioning of the intestinal microflora. 2. Garlic not only nourishes the good bacteria but also inhibits the activity of pathogens. 3. This is a truly unique berry with many useful properties. 3. One of them is the ability to improve the intestinal microflora. 3. Scientists have labeled cranberries as one of the best prebiotics. Biolactonics eliminates intestinal parasites, confirm user comments and opinions on forums. Biolactonics is all-natural parasite detoxification capsules that get 5-star reviews and feedback in client comments, opinions, and testimonials. Online forums in India and the Philippines which are dedicated to nutritional dieting and organism cleansing approve of the product. They say that it has helped entire families naturally overcome parasitic infestations. It is no wonder that the Biolactonics capsules are even recommended by professional parasitologists. Experts recommend the intake of the organic parasite removal remedy, as it is rich in healthy probiotics. The likely named manufacturer is glad to hear that the body cleansing capsules are so popular and successful. The company hired top industry scientists to figure out how to tackle the Helicobacter pylori organically. This is why there are no complaints about negative side effects, allergic reactions, or other contraindications in Biolactonics reviews, comments, opinions, and testimonials on forums. The product is well received in thousands of online reviews and feedback. Why do tens of thousands of people in India and the Philippines prefer to get Biolactonics instead of traditional parasite medicine and pills? Clients describe the main pros of the capsules in their comments, opinions, and reviews on forums, as being the following. 1. All-natural parasite cleansing and removal formula that is safe for the entire family to take. 1. Successfully eliminates the Helicobacter pylori bacteria from the human organism. 1. Takes care of the normal functioning of the gastrointestinal tract. 1. No reported side effects in Biolactonics comments, opinions, and reviews on forums. 1. Good price with COD payments on the manufacturer's official website. How to take the Biolactonics capsules safely with no side effects. Instructions for use. The professional parasitologists that examine Biolactonics' action and effects on humans in clinical trials confirm that it is safe for every family member. It does not lead to the appearance of side effects, allergic skin reactions, like rashes, or other types of contraindications. This is why it was awarded a certificate of quality. Users just have to remember to follow its instructions for use strictly. The said can be found inside the product packaging in the form of a user manual. To maintain the capsules top quality, one must also store them in their original container away from direct sunlight. What do the instructions for use tell us about taking Biolactonics safely daily with no side effects? The user manual tells clients to follow these 3 simple steps. 1. Take 1 capsules 2 times a day. 1. You can do it 30 minutes before breakfast and dinner. 2. Stay hydrated and on a healthy menu. 2. Biolactonics can be taken preventatively against parasitic infections by completing a full course 2 times a year. 3. The full course lasts for 30 consecutive days. A posy of parasite cleansing ingredients in Biolactonics' natural formula. Keeping a fresh microflora in your intestines is a good way to prevent stomach cancer. This is what experts advise. Luckily, you can do the same, as well as protect yourself and your family from parasites, with the help of Biolactonics' natural formula. It includes only natural body cleansing ingredients and has a certificate of quality, proving that its action is safe. How does Biolactonics work to keep the body parasite free? Take a look at its effects below. 1. Gradually improves the functioning of the gastrointestinal system. 1. Normalizes the intestinal microflora. 1. Removes belch, heartburn, bloating, and stomach ache. The main parasite cleansing ingredients in Biolactonics capsules formula are 1. Indian gooseberry, Emblica officinalis, extract. It successfully removes pathogenic flora, killing parasites and their eggs. 1. All while improving digestion and mood. 1. Chebulic myrobalan, Terminalia chebula, extract. This ingredient makes cell tissues regenerate faster, strengthening the walls of the stomach and bowel. 1. A blend of probiotics. The healthy microorganism restores the normal microflora in the stomach and intestines.